Can lower orbit satellites help avoid jamming? Sergey is asking.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. I mean, that's what Starlink is. Okay. So imagine that your REB is going horizontal. Your electronic warfare, all the antennas are pointing horizontally. So if you can get above that, even with a drone, you know, a lot of times the drone operators, that's what you do. You hit some electronic warfare, fly up, get up out of that stuff. Okay. Of course, then you can't target unless even with a bomb, the targeting is going to be off. But it is one method. And then you also become vulnerable to interceptors, and you become vulnerable to just people taking pot shots from the ground at you, okay, which happens. Depending on the size of your drone, it can be a real problem. But yes, Starlink and other low Earth orbit satellites are actively used because the signal is pointing down. It has less atmosphere to go through. And it has less electronic warfare to go through. So, yes, that is happening for sure. But you have to have a big enough drone to carry that antenna. Oh, you're muted, Jordy.
Guys, last three questions. Catalin is asking: are the consideration on mounting antennas on ground drones keep them highly mobile?
Yeah, that's a big problem. All the problems that I've been discussing now on ground drones, this is the same deal, right? So you have to have line of sight. How do you maintain that line of sight? It means you have to have a big tall antenna. Now everybody can see your big tall antenna, 20 meters up, 40 meters up. Sounds great. But now you're like, hey, hello, here I am. So then, okay, so what do you do then? Then you have a loitering drone above pointing down. Okay, but now that's a target, right? And don't talk about fiber optics with ground drones. It's
For people that, like, from my side, I've heard of potential developments making ground drones combined with a tethered sort of like a repeater drone attached to it. So essentially, there is like a wire that goes to the ground drone, and then the drone goes up when you need essentially this mobile antenna, so to say, and then drone goes back down and so on. So there are certain solutions that are being worked on from my knowledge.
It's the same cat and mouse game, just
What are Steve is asking? Are Australian cardboard drones still being used, or are they out of place now? Well, James already addressed it. Said that what was developed a year ago is not really relevant anymore.
But just because the cardboard drones, I can't remember the name of them right now. The Dart. Well, okay, the Ukrainian version of that, I believe, is called the Dart. Yeah, can I have some? If you have some, please give them to me. I will use them. Yeah, maybe there's some things in there that need to be updated, but the basic framework, the shape and the basic structure, obviously still works. Yeah, okay, maybe the frequencies have to be changed and some of the technology, but the basics are there. I mean, F-16s are still flying, So absolutely, please send me some of those. I would like them.
Yes. Then there's a comment saying that you have hella goatee. So
yeah, it's going crazy today. I try to keep it a little bit straight, but it wants to do this whole curly Q. It happens,
Yeah. And then the last one will be from Valarauko. Sorry for butchering the name. What about throttling down the bandwidth for solving the SIM issue?
Yeah, no, Ukrainians would hate that. They would riot. That would be like worse than anything Zelensky could do to like I think that it would be worse than if Zelensky just surrendered to the Russians. I think Ukrainians would be like, "We want our internet." Yeah.
Super. Thank you so much, everyone, for your amazing questions, and thank you so much for being here. Super thanks, James, for finally. Well, you were asking for this for a while. It's me mostly saying that that I just always am busy.
Well, it's one thing to ask; it's another thing to have time at the same time that you have time. Frankly, so thank the gods, the stars aligned, basically.
So guys, tell us if you like this type of format where we dive deep into. I have like list of questions that we can still go into Drones have been fascinating. I've been very interested in the tech, and there's a lot of things to discuss and understand. So if you're interested, write it down. Support jamesYukraine.com, if I believe.
Yep.
And
Yep.
just let's get some of the drones to frontline. As James said, there is not enough of them.